Welcome to this 5-minute session of guided progressive muscle relaxation. Today, we'll gently ease the tension from your body and allow your mind to find peace. Start by getting into a comfortable position, whether lying down or sitting, and softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and gently release. Let's take one more. Inhale deeply. And exhale fully. Imagining any tension beginning to melt away. Now, bring your focus to your feet. As you breathe in, curl your toes and tense the muscles in your feet. Hold that tension for a moment. And as you exhale, release completely, letting your feet relax fully into the surface beneath you. Shift your attention to your legs. Inhale and gently tighten the muscles in your calves and thighs. Feel the tension as you hold it for a few seconds. And exhale, releasing all the tightness. Let your legs grow heavy and calm. Next, focus on your lower back and stomach. As you breathe in, gently contract these muscles, holding the tension. And exhale, letting everything soften and relax. Feel your body sink a little deeper into comfort. Now, move your awareness to your hands and arms. Inhale deeply and squeeze your fists tightly, engaging the muscles in your arms. Hold the tension. And then exhale, releasing everything. Notice how your arms feel light and at ease. Finally, turn your focus to your face and shoulders. As you breathe in, scrunch your face gently and lift your shoulders toward your ears. Hold the tension for a moment. And then exhale, letting your shoulders drop and your face soften. Feel the calm spread through your entire body. Take a few moments now to enjoy this state of relaxation. Breathe gently and notice the ease in your body, the quiet in your mind. Whenever you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back by wiggling your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this calm energy into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me today. I'd love to hear how this practice has impacted you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing your inner peace.